Hi and welcome to my latest video. This is an unboxing video of the Crosstour video projector numbered P700. Looking at the box, the model P700, 2000 lumens, resolution supported is 1920 by 1080, projection size 32 inch up to 176 inch. Signal ports are video, VGA, HDMI and USB. That's the box. Looking at the description, the P700 screen size 32 to 176 inches. Projection range from 3.9 feet up to 21.6 feet. A variety of multimedia ports, AV, VGA, SD, USB and HDMI slots. You can also connect to your desktop, laptop, DVD, Xbox, digital camera, etc. It is equipped with a diffuse reflection technology which reduces the direct light from the video to protect your eyes. Dolby sound is not supported. If there is no sound when you connect the HDMI device, turn off the Dolby sound on your device. The best projection distance is from 3 to 5 meters and naturally works better in a dark environment. 2000 lumens, HDMI input supported, 1080p, 1080i, 720p, 576i, 480p and 480i. Display colours 16.7K, projection size 32 to 176 inches, signal ports, video, VGA, HDMI, USB ports, devices up to 1000 gigabyte, MPEG-1, MPEG-2, MPEG-4, MP3 and JPEG. The JPEG only supported for 640 by 480. And support format MPEG-1, MPEG-2, MPEG-4, MP3 and JPEG. Dimensions 198 by 153 by 68.5 millimeters. In the box we have the Crosstour video projector P700, remote control with no batteries, user manual, the 3-in-1 AV cable, HDMI cable and the power cable. So let's get on now after that to opening the box. I don't know anything about projectors, so this is all new to me. Right, here's the projector all packaged up, well protected, and here's the box of goodies. Put that to one side. Right, nice little case made, no need for any scissors or anything to undo it. Looks very nice. Focus, keystone, don't ask me. I know the focus, but keystone. Okay, it will actually fit onto a tripod. Something here which I've no idea what it's for. I'll find out in the instructions. Power input, USB, HDMI, AV, headphones I believe, and the micro SD slot. Right, have a little Crosstour's When you read this letter, you must have got your Crosstour. If you are not satisfied, please feel free to contact us. I do have other items made by Crosstour. The cameras, the 9000 and the 9500. And I did have a problem with the first one I got, and the after sales service is unbelievable. It really is. So you can buy with confidence. Here's the manual. We also have the buttons on top, on and off, back, etc. This, and what I intend doing is to using this with the Amazon Fire Stick. Okay. So we have the instructions. You can actually, you need to get a ceiling mount, but you can fix it to the ceiling. Naturally, ceiling mounting is included, but the tripod connection is also a ceiling connector. Just interested in these the keystone and the one underneath. See if we can quickly find them. Right, 18, the one underneath, is the angle adjustment knob. Right. And the ones on top, number 6, is the trapezoidal adjustment knob. Right. We shall see. And the focus. Okay. That's the projector. Let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, power cable, which plugs straight in. It is 240 volts or 110, depending on where in the world you live. So it plugs straight in, no transformer of any kind. Okay, HDMI cable. Yep. HDMI cable and the other one. The AV cable. There we go. All the connections on the side there. And the remote. I'm hoping it takes 3A batteries. I have a couple here. That slides off. Yeah. No indication which is plus and minus, but flat side should be plus, should be minus. That should be right. Won't know till the whole plugged in. So to make sure that's right, we'll just plug it in. Right, there's no particular way that goes in by the looks of it. We hope, says he. Okay. Okay, we're plugged in and we've got the green light. Now we've got a red light, which I take it as a standby. Yeah. That doesn't seem to be doing anything. Yes, yes. Just getting the focus right. It's quite light in here, so we can't see anything really. So we're going to have to come back to you on that when the room's a bit darker. We'll just check the remote first to make sure that's working. Yes. So it's on standby when it's switched on. And there we go. Yeah. That switches it on and off. So that's it for the unboxing. We'll come back to you. I intend putting my Amazon Fire Stick on this. We'll hopefully come back to you when it's a bit darker and be able to see how it does. Bye for now. Okay, well here we are. Here's the it's rather dark in here naturally because we're going to see the output from the projector. All set up, it's on the tripod. Right, we're about 3 meters away from the wall, and there is the screen. We've got the Fire Stick loaded into the HDMI port, and this is YouTube, and we just there's one of my own YouTube videos. Sound is good. Picture is reasonable.
All those buildings been lying there empty for years.
It's still quite light in here. It is still the afternoon, and the curtains are drawn, no lights on naturally. But I'm pleased with the picture so far. Yep. So we're using the Fire Stick, so just go back out of there. There we are. I don't have Netflix. I do have the BBC iPlayer. What have we got there? Just show a little bit of this. Don't want any copyright problems. They'll strictly come down to. Sound is brilliant. I did have to turn off the Dolby surround sound. Nothing came through till I turned that off. but the sound is brilliant. The sound is coming from the projector itself. So that's it. Not sure what else we can put on there. Photos, perhaps. These are all come from Amazon Prime photos, my own photos. Should load. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, I'm very pleased with it so far. Especially with the iPlayer. So you've all as we went through before, all the different inputs. You can input from your TV, I believe. So there we have it. So well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's been from some use to you. So just a quick look at the projector. And there we have it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed.